Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am sitting by my tree right now and it's so pretty. I love it. This is one of my favorite times of the year and I'm so excited and so happy to share with you guys a really cute phone theme that I have for my phone. And it's a free phone theme on Samsung, and then it's also a free wallpaper and lock screen. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like it. It's super cute, festive for the holiday season, and I will also share it with you guys. Just message me. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's just get this video started.
Alright, so for this phone theme, I will be using the Bubble Rose. That is the name and the creator right there. This is a free phone theme on Samsung theme. What? What am I saying? This is a free phone theme on Samsung themes. There you go. It's really cute and I think it's going to go very well with the wallpapers that I am about to show you guys. So I like this one a lot. Now, this is how it will look like on your phone without the wallpapers. So it's just polka dots and colorful, and the icons look like this. They're kind of just like white and basic, but they're pretty cute. I like how they are white and crisp so that once I apply the wallpaper, you'll be able to see the icons still. And then that's just how the top over here looks like. And then my folders look like this. They just change colors. That's the rest of the icons, such as calculator and calendar. And then I'm going to show you guys how the calculator looks like. It's just white with pops of pastel colors and pink and purple. Then the calendar looks like this. It's just pink as well with white. And then the alarm clocks look like this, just the same concept of colors. And this is how the dial pad looks like. Pretty just basic, simple, as well as the messaging is just white and then pops of pink. The keyboard is also pretty simple. It's just the pink color and white for the key letters. And this is how our beautiful little lock screen will look like. Well, actually this is going to be put on my home screen, so this is how the home screen will look like. It's just the little twin stars with a Christmas tree, and they're decorating it with a pink backdrop with snowflakes and stars. I feel like that's very cute and matches very well with the pink from the theme. Then we have little animals down here, and it's just so adorable. I really love this and it makes me really happy to look at it. And this is my lock screen. So this is what I will be applying. This is so adorable. We just have a little village down here on a cloud with Christmas trees, and then we have two little cute guys on little clouds, and then the little twin stars are on a reindeer and a sleigh with gifts. And then we have the two little birds right there, and I think they are just so cute. So I will now apply my home screen, and here is the preview on how it will look like on my phone. So cute. I love it. And for my lock screen, here is the preview as well. I love this as my lock screen. I think it's really nice. So I am just going to apply it, and here is how it looks like on my phone. So cute. I love how the little twin stars look and the purple color. I really enjoy it. And then as for my home screen, this is how my home screen looks like. I think it just looks really well, pink and cute. And that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!